Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The topic for today's discussion is quite interesting and I think one of the most common dilemma among us. So here it is. The difference between food science and food nutrition. So let us focus on the food science first. So food science, it is a multidisciplinary field involving chemistry, biochemistry, nutrition, microbiology and engineering to give one the scientific knowledge to solve real problems associated with the many phases of the food system. So the basis of the discipline lies in an understanding of the chemistry of food components such as protein, carbohydrate, fats and water, and the reaction that undergo during processing and storage. So a complete understanding of processing and preservation method is required, including drying, freezing, pasteurization, canning, irradiation, extrusion, to name just a few. The demand for easy to prepare food poses major scientific and technological challenges, which cannot be met without highly trained scientists that they are capable of understanding the complex chemistry, biochemistry of food systems and knowledge of the methods to preserve it. So this increased reliance of society on ready to eat food has led to greater responsibility for processors in terms of quality, safety and nutrition. So in order to ensure high quality and competitive products, scientific principles and new technologies are being applied to food manufacturing, and the body of knowledge required has become that discipline called food science. So activities of food scientists include the development of new food product, design of processes to produce these foods, choice of packaging materials, shelf life studies, sensory evaluation of product using survey panels or potential consumers, as well as microbiological and chemical testing. So next is nutrition. So nutrition is a biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. So it includes ingestion, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism and excretion. So the science that studies the physiological process of nutrition is called as nutritional science. So nutrition and dietetics, a subdiscipline of medicine, is the science that focuses on everything related to food and its effects on our health and overall well-being. So the course of nutrition and dietetics, in the course of nutrition and dietetics, you will be learning to provide proper consultation to patients and design nutritional therapies based on people's individual metabolisms. So the science degree covers important subjects like nutrients, water, health check parameters, vitamins, modern food microbiology, food science, food facts, principle, nutrition and diets and diseases, malnutrition, nutrition for fitness in sports, obesity management, nutrition in weight management, renal disorder or liver disorders, investigations and normal parameters, nutrition for overweight and obesity eating disorders, weight management, sports athletes, fitness and cardiovascular diseases, etc. So nutrition for diabetes and anemia, nutrition for sports, hypertension and bone health, many more are there. So now let us come to the difference between food scientist and food nutritionist. So the role of a food scientist is generally to research, develop and test different ingredients and food, so making sure they are safe for humans to consume. So they use their knowledge of life and physical sciences to create new technologies and methods of food production, processing and packaging. So they analyze the nutritional content of food, they discover new food sources and research ways to make processed foods safe and healthy. So on the other hand, nutritionist, so nutritionists typically do the following things like explaining nutrition and what it can do for the clients, and next is accessing clients' health needs and diet, and developing meal plans taking both cost and clients' preferences into account, and next is evaluating the effects of meal plans and change the plans as needed and promote better nutrition by giving talks to groups about diet, nutrition, and the relationship between good eating habits and preventing or managing specific diseases. Okay, nowadays many more diseases are being spreading, and so we have to take care of our health, not only not only via medicines but also via food. Okay, so yeah, nutritionists typically keep up with the latest nutritional science research. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and do visit our website, that is www.foodtechnetwork.in.